Hi, today I'm front of your Realme Pad Mini and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first open the Muviz Edge application, then select one from these available tabs, click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds, you should swipe to the up or to the down, tap to apply. Here you will see music control section. To hide them just after 10 seconds, or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To show notifications and the calendar date, you should use the switchers. To show battery status always, while charger or never. Just select one from these available options, click to go back to X icon, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display, and you'll see here more settings. To show AD on lock screen always while charging. On music, we could also use these two options separately. Also, we could decrease and increase the brightness level to change the timeout from 5 minutes to never. Low power after time. The change orientation to close it by double single tap on the lock screen. On screen off to set the schedule, the start, the end time. To use it in a pocket mode, and to disable the AD option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display option on our Realme Pad Mini. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.